Check out what I bought for our trip to Chuck E. Cheese's this weekend.
Yo, that's so cool.
Wait, how did I get your mom to go? I thought you were grounded.
I just told her I wouldn't fail any tests this month. But what she doesn't know is I don't have any tests. I am such a genius.
Ew.
Ew.
I hope you at least washed your hand first.
What? You scared of germs?
Dude, watch out! You almost pulled the fire alarm.
Good morning, boys.
Good morning.
What you got there, Mr. James?
What do you mean, this? This is a surprise.
That doesn't sound good.
You've got to be kidding me. He's gonna give us a pop quiz.
Yeah, probably.
I gotta find some way to get out of it.
Come on. The reading assignment was easy.
It was?
Yeah, didn't you do it?
And miss out on my huge Minecraft tournament? No way. I gotta get out of this test somehow.
Here we go again.
I can pretend I'm sick.
You already did that like 5 times and it never works.
True. Maybe I could pretend like I broke my leg by slipping in this hallway. Look at you.
Well, it's pretty hard to pretend that you broke a bone. Jet, when you broke your arm, was it all hunky-dory?
Yeah, dude, that won't work. Besides, they're installing cameras now, so it'll be obvious she's faking it.
Good morning.
Hey, good morning.
So, when do you think you'll have it working?
I'm having a problem with the server. They're not connecting up. Hopefully by tomorrow.
Great. Thank you so much.
MHM.
Today is my lucky day.
Violy, do we have to tell you every single time?
Running away from problems just makes them worse.
Please, Derek, I've been running away from my problems since first grade. Look where it's gotten me.
Where?
Yeah, you've been suspended at least 5 times. You have been grounded every single summer. And what's your GPA again?
I don't want to talk about that, but I'm still the coolest kid in school.
Yeah, right.
Alright, look. I'm running out of time. Alright?
Come on, Violy. Face it.
Nothing you can do at this point.
Don't underestimate me, alright?
Oh my god.
Look, I'll figure something out.
At 2 p.m.
Do not turn these over just yet. Hey Violy, lunch is over, put that away, please. Hey, you're supposed to use Oreos, not your finger. Alright, everybody, what I have for you here is going to just have to wait 1 second. Keep 'em down, please. I'll be right with you.
Did you hear what happened at Chesterfield High? Some punk pulled the fire alarm. They had to evacuate the whole school.
I hope they got the guy that did it.
Last I heard, they haven't figured out who it was.
I got it.
You got what?
I'm gonna pull the fire alarm.
What?
What? That's a terrible idea. You're gonna get caught on
But
camera.
he said the camera won't be working till tomorrow.
Oh dear God.
Don't you think that's going a little too far, Violy? What if they test for fingerprints?
Then I'll pull it with my shirt. That way there's no fingerprints.
Pretty sure, Mikey, that pulling a fire alarm is an actual crime. There could be very serious consequences.
That's if I got caught, which will never happen.
Do we have to explain it to you every single time? Your plans never work. I said it first.
Nonsense.
Of course they do. I'll prove it, Mr. James. Can I use the bathroom real quick, please?
Yeah. Okay, Violy. Just hurry back. The key's on my
How
desk.
could you do such a thing?
Thank you.
Excuse me. Thank you.
Hampton, why don't you say it? Really? Kind of like it's sure. Go ahead and knock yourself out.